Yan. Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Hi! Hi! Okay, now we're going to... Where? Prairie Lily! Saan ba yun? Doon. Ay, hindi na ako nagsasakay. Uy, ba't ako may hawak? Dapat ikaw. Naku, maalon. Maalon. Oh. Mga bata. Dito tayo sa kabila. Sa kabila. Sa kabila. Di ba sinakal ko? Hindi. Mas maganda yung nasinakal ko. Kasi kaya na-astig siya. Pero ito 360 naman nila yan, di ba? Ba't parang wala si Prairie? Ayan, nandiyan, nandiyan. Ayun.
Where's God?
Prairie Lily.
Get your own.
Well, get your own.
Naka-on pa ba ito? Ayan, pakita mo lang si Prairie. Ay, ang lamig. Ayan ang... Bakit hindi na to? Magpapasok na tayo. Stop na to.
Is that with a DJ or a
E.
E?
E-L-A-I-S-E. L is the number.
No, that won't matter. Your last name is
Montemayor.
Oh,
M-O-N.
Emma. There you are.
Yes.
Yes.
For two.
Good. I have a too. Birthday. Whose birthday is it?
May.
Birthday to you. That's all the singing I do, and that's all you want me to do. Welcome aboard.
Oh, thank
Find your
you.
balloons.
Thank you. Facing us. Pwede, mandala. Saan tayo? Taas? Taas. Or dito? Gusto mo sa loob muna? Taas. Then later, isa loob naman.
I'm just gonna go in there right now. So, and I'll see if she's there. And yeah.
Ay, thanks. Hello, welcome. Thank you.
Saskatchewan River. As you came down to the dock, you passed the Nutrien Wonderland, Saskatchewan's first and only children's museum. Their 12 permanent exhibits offer hands-on interactive environments designed to facilitate collaborative play and learning. Off to starboard, on your right-hand side, is the Shakespeare on the Saskatchewan Festival Center, open year-round for public access. During their annual summer festival, you can partake in everything from professional Shakespearean productions to medieval feasts, or just stop by.
Video na pala to? Thank you. We are on the river. It's raining. Blessing afternoon. Yeah. Happy birthday. Okay na. Stop na. Stop na. Stop mo na.
Green Space and the Rotary International Peace Plaza. In the early days of European settlement on the Canadian areas, the rivers, including the South Saskatchewan, served as major transportation links for furs, lumber, supplies, livestock, and settlers. The names of early riverboats resonate through our history. The North, the Marquis, the Northwest, the Baroness, the Alberta, and the Manitoba.
Naalala ko tuloy sa nutrients bawal.
Branches of the Saskatchewan River in the late 1800s.
Ganda oh.
By the early 1900s, these ships and the unpredictable rivers were losing out to the railway as the transportation system increased. If you have an opportunity to visit the after cabin on the lower deck, you will find a display of photographs of these early paddle steamers. Towards the end of the steamship era in 1907, the traffic bridge, she tangled her rudders in some submerged telegraph wires and lost her steering just before reaching the bridge. The steamship was too tall to pass under the bridge in any case, and after suffering a loss of steerage way, she became out of control. She tore off her wheelhouse and crashed into one of the bridge piers where she capsized and sank. Fortunately, passengers had already disembarked upriver on the ropes and ladders while the wrecked ship lay on her side on the sandy river bottom, so no lives were lost. In the early years, following the brass items, during the first winter, the ship's boiler was raised from the river bottom, and teams of horses hauled it across the frozen river to the Saskatoon Pure Dairy. Today, the remains of the SS City of Medicine Hat are entombed under the southernmost abutment of the traffic bridge, the Rotary Park.
Ginagawa pala siya, no? Eto na. Tagal mo. Oh, yan. Ganyan dapat. Okay ka.
Open under all but the most extreme winter conditions, at least as far as the weir. The warming effect soon dissipates after turning over the weir, and the river freezes from shore to shore. This enables the prairie lily to stay in water year-round.